Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Digital Machine World. In today's video, we will be giving you a detailed overview of the REDON Best Mill 2 Monol Cam, an advanced and efficient milling machine designed for dental applications. This machine supports both dry and wet milling techniques, making it perfect for processing a wide range of dental materials. Full automation. The REDON Best Mill 2 MOLL Cam comes with an automatic loading and unloading system, ensuring that your dental components are processed without the need for manual intervention. The automation reduces the chances of human errors and increases the speed of work. The machine can process multiple pieces of material simultaneously, saving time and boosting productivity. High-quality milling. Whether you are working with metals, ceramics, or soft materials, this machine guarantees high-quality, precise milling. Its milling technique ensures excellent results for intricate dental work such as crowns, abutments, and frameworks. Versatility. This machine is compatible with a wide range of materials, including metals, titanium, Ti, cobalt, chromium, COCRD, glassed ceramic, zirconia, PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate, wax. This versatility makes it ideal for various dental applications. Pre-mill/prefab abutment cam software. The REDON Best Mill 2 Monol Cam comes with pre-mill/prefab abutment cam software designed to streamline the abutment milling process. This software helps reduce human errors, improves speed, and ensures efficient and accurate results. C-clamp for high-definition detailing. The C-clamp feature is specifically designed for detailed work with soft materials like wax, providing high-definition detailing that ensures precision in complex designs. User-friendly and durable design. Despite its advanced features, the REDON Best Mill 2 Monol Cam is user-friendly, making it easy for both experienced dental technicians and beginners to operate. Its durable and compact construction ensures long-lasting performance. Energy efficiency. This machine is energy efficient, meaning it uses less power while performing both dry and wet milling, which makes it cost-effective and sustainable in the long run. Support and maintenance. REDON provides excellent customer support and maintenance services to ensure that your machine continues to perform at its best. Regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of the machine and keep it running smoothly. The REDON Best Mill 2 Monol Cam is a comprehensive milling solution that meets the needs of modern dental labs. With its precision, versatility, and automation, it is an excellent choice for boosting efficiency and improving quality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Digital Machine World for more updates on the latest dental technology and machinery.